In the early 1990s, the Honda CB750, once a revolutionary superbike, had evolved into the Nighthawk, a model that many enthusiasts considered a departure from its iconic roots. Enter purpose-built Moto, a custom motorcycle workshop based in Australia, renowned for transforming overlooked machines into bespoke masterpieces. Purpose-built Moto, custom hand-built motorcycles. This particular 1992 CB750 had seen better days, passing through multiple owners and undergoing various modifications. Recognizing its potential, purpose-built Moto embarked on a comprehensive rebuild to resurrect its former glory, design, and fabrication. The transformation began with a complete teardown. The frame was shortened, and a custom tail hoop was added to accommodate a handcrafted brat-style seat. The stock airbox and tangled wiring were removed, replaced with a streamlined custom electronics tray and battery box. Hand-beaten aluminum side covers were fabricated to conceal the single backbone frame, maintaining a clean aesthetic. A custom triple clamp was designed and machined, providing a robust foundation for the front end. The headlight assembly features dual LED strips mounted on a bespoke bracket, giving the bike a distinctive Street Fighter appearance. Performance enhancements. To optimize performance, the CB750 was equipped with pod filters and a custom exhaust system, enhancing airflow and delivering a throaty exhaust note. The bike was then tuned on a dynamometer to ensure smooth power delivery. Braking components were overhauled, with rebuilt calipers and new pads ensuring reliable stopping power. Finishing touches. The final aesthetic touches included a custom paint job in Honda's classic burnt orange, accented with black and silver details, a nod to the original CB750 color schemes. Purpose-built. Moto also integrated their own line of components, such as LED indicators and a minimalist speedometer, seamlessly blending form and function. The result is a motorcycle that pays homage to its heritage while embracing modern design and performance.